Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that plagues so many of us in the software world, a silent habit that masquerades as a virtue, the elusive, relentless pursuit of perfect code. I want you to picture this scene and be honest with yourself if it sounds familiar. It's 1 a.m. Your monitor is the only light in the room, casting a glow on your face. The deadline for the current sprint is looming. There are new features waiting in the backlog, but you're not working on any of them. Instead, you are staring laser-focused at a function you wrote 3 days ago. It works, it's covered by tests, it's deployed, and it's doing its job in production without any issues, but it's gnawing at you. That variable name, item data, isn't quite specific enough. The logic could be refactored from a simple for loop into a more elegant, chainable sequence of .map and .filter. And what if, in some hypothetical future, the data structure changes? You could build a complex abstraction, a generic handler that would preemptively solve a problem that doesn't exist yet. You tell yourself you're improving the codebase, paying down technical debt. But are you? Or have you fallen into the perfect code trap? This quest for an ideal, flawless codebase feels like the ultimate goal of our craft. But today, we're going to challenge that notion. We'll explore how this drive for perfection can ironically become your biggest source of technical debt, a silent project killer that stifles innovation, burns out developers, and grinds progress to a halt. Think of it like this. Imagine two architects hired to design and build a family home. The first architect is a pragmatist. They work with the family, understand their core needs, 3 bedrooms, a functional kitchen, a safe backyard, and design a solid, well-built house using standard, reliable materials. They deliver the plans on time, the construction is straightforward, and within a year, the family moves in. The house isn't a groundbreaking piece of architectural art, but it's a wonderful home. It serves its purpose perfectly. The second architect is a perfectionist. They see this house as their magnum opus. They spend months refining the blueprint, obsessing over the golden ratio in every room's dimensions. They insist on sourcing a rare type of marble from a specific quarry in Italy, delaying the foundation for 6 months. They redesign the plumbing system 3 times to achieve a 0.5% increase in water pressure efficiency, introducing a custom non-standard system that no local plumber will know how to service. A year passes, and the family has nothing but a breathtakingly beautiful, impossibly complex blueprint. The house is, on paper, perfect, but it's also a complete failure because it doesn't exist. It hasn't delivered any value. This is the exact dilemma we face as developers. The perfectionist architect is the developer who engages in what we call gold plating and over-engineering. The product owner asks for a simple user profile page. The perfectionist developer delivers it a month late because they built a dynamic plugin-based theming engine for it, created a custom data binding framework instead of using a standard library, and built a microservice architecture for a feature that will be used by 50 people. They've built a solution for a problem of massive scale that the project simply does not have. The result is a system that is brittle, incredibly complex to onboard new developers to, and terrifying to modify. That isn't quality. That's high-end, artisanally crafted technical debt. So why do we do this? The psychological roots are deep. For many, it's a manifestation of imposter syndrome, the fear that we'll be exposed as frauds. We believe that if our code is intricate, uses advanced design patterns, and is theoretically flawless, then no one can question our competence. It becomes a shield. For others, it's about pure craftsmanship. We see code as an art form, and we want to create a masterpiece. While admirable, this perspective can lose sight of the primary goal of software: to solve a problem for a user. The most elegant algorithm in the world is worthless if it never ships. This leads to a state of analysis paralysis, where the fear of making the wrong choice becomes so overwhelming that we make no choice at all. We spend weeks debating which JavaScript framework is best for a small internal tool, or which database normalization form is theoretically purest. all while the project stagnates. The pursuit of the perfect choice becomes a barrier to making a good choice and moving forward. Ultimately, we must redefine what quality code truly means. It isn't just elegance or theoretical perfection. True quality is fitness for purpose. It's code that is clear, maintainable, solves the user's problem effectively, and is delivered in a way that allows the business to innovate and succeed. Sometimes, the most strategic, highest quality decision you can make is to ship something that is simply good enough.